Okay, so we've got our careers finder here, and when we run it, we might actually end up typing quite a long string. So for example, this person might say, "What do you like?" And they say, "I don't know, I feel spaced out at school." What you'll find is that what we're looking for is to match the unknown key in the dictionary. But what it actually does is it matches the physics key. And the reason why is because the word space, S-P-A-C-E, matches in this part of the text here for spaced. So it's matched part of the word and therefore return physics. So how can we solve this? So the way that we solve this would be, we actually need to split our interest variable into individual words. And the way that we do that is we can actually make a list. So we'll call this interest list, and all that is interest variable, and just space this out slightly, dot split. And we can print that out to see what it looks like. Interest list. So let's run this. And we'll just rerun this here. Okay, and what it's done here is it's actually printed out the variable but in a list form, and it's taken each word individually, so I, don't, and no, and also the word spaced here. It's still matching physics here, so how do we get it so that it looks as this just as a whole word? Well, what we're going to do is, instead of looking at the interest variable, we want to actually look at the interest list. You'll notice that I've deleted this here because we don't actually need to print the list, we just need to know that it exists. And then on each of these occasions, we can instead match to interest list here, here, and here. Now when we run our program, if we had exactly the same text, feel spaced out at school, you'll see that no longer does it falsely match to physics because it's now matching whole words, and the word spaced it sees as an entire word and it doesn't get confused with the word space. There are lots of other variations as to why you might get confused there. So for example, in the word doctor, we could have a doctorate, and you could do a doctorate in any subject. And likewise, I suppose, in other keywords, say for example the word was screen, and actually you wanted to find, say, screensaver, it would no longer match. Yeah, so we're actually looking at particular keywords and match them exactly, and the way that we're doing that is we're splitting our variable into a list of individual words, and that's it.